Quick revision on word choice and connotations. Remember, when you're doing analysis, you're being asked not what the writer says, but how he or she says it. And the key idea to think about is, why has the writer chosen this word rather than another one? What is good about this particular word that gets across what the writer wants to say? You're not actually saying what the writer wants to say, that's understanding. You're explaining why they chose this particular word. So let me show you what I mean by this. From the passage that you've been looking at, we have this sentence. I can still remember the teenage thrill of trying on everything in Miss Selfridge, but it's years since I got any kind of real high from the high street. So if you have the question, analyse how the writer's word choice conveys her teenage positive feelings about shopping, you're looking for something like this. Thrill has connotations of something very exciting. You don't need to say she was excited about shopping, because the question told you that already. What they want to know is, how did she get across the idea that it was a positive thing for her? And the next sentence, now the sheer scale of choice feels exhausting, while the business of piling up stuff at home for the sake of it, yet another cushion, dress or lipstick, increasingly borders on the obscene. So we're now going to analyse how the writer's word choice conveys her present negative feelings about shopping. So we don't need to say that it's negative, the question tells us that. But how does she make it clear to the reader that it's negative? Exhausting has connotations of something very tiring that you probably want to avoid. Stuff has connotations of something that takes up space but means very little, that you'd be better off without. It's all just stuff. It doesn't suggest you're particularly attached to it or particularly pleased about having it. Analyse how the writer's feelings conveys her present negative feelings about shopping. Obscene has connotations of disgusting, highly offensive. They want you to know that this is a very strong word, and so if you've got very or highly or extremely, that helps to get across that you understand just how powerful this word is. Okay, good luck with the next assignment.